The 3-fund portfolio. The simplest retirement strategy ever. Most millionaires didn't get rich because they were stock-picking geniuses. They got rich because they were boring. And I'm about to show you the exact same boring strategy that's building generational wealth right now. Forget everything you've heard about beating the market. Forget day trading. Forget those crypto bros. This is the 3-fund portfolio. And it's literally so simple that most people think it can't possibly work. But it does. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why. Here's what nobody tells you. The average actively managed fund underperforms the market 85% of the time. 85%. That means if you're paying someone to pick stocks for you, you're statistically likely to lose money to fees while getting worse returns. Wild, right? The 3-fund portfolio solves this problem completely. And I mean completely. Part 1. What is the 3-fund portfolio? The 3-fund portfolio is exactly what it sounds like. You take your money, you split it between 3 low-cost index funds. That's it. You're done. Now let's break down which 3. Fund number 1. The Total U.S. Stock Market Index Fund. This could be VTI on Vanguard, SWTSX on Schwab, or FSKAX on Fidelity. These track the entire U.S. stock market, thousands of companies. Instant diversification. Fund number 2. The Total International Stock Market Index Fund. Think VEA or VTIAX. This gives you exposure to developed countries like Canada, Japan, and Germany, plus emerging markets like India and Brazil. You're not putting all your eggs in the American basket. Fund number 3. Total U.S. Bond Market Index Fund. This is BND, SWTBX, or FXNAX depending on your broker. Bonds are boring. That's the point. They stabilize your portfolio when stocks get crazy. And they will get crazy. That's the entire system. 3 funds. Diversified globally. Low fees. Automatic. Done. Now here's where it gets ridiculous. Let's say you're 25 years old and you invest $50,000 right now using the 3-fund portfolio. Average expense ratio across these 3 funds? 0.05%. That's $5 on every $1,000 you invest. Compare that to the average actively managed mutual fund charging 1%. Over 30 years. That extra fee cost difference is literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm not exaggerating. Part 2. How to actually do this. Open a Roth IRA tomorrow. If you haven't done this yet, you're leaving free money on the table. In 2024, you can contribute $7,000 to a Roth IRA. That grows completely tax-free. Forever. No taxes on withdrawal in retirement. If your employer offers a 401k match, max that out first. That's literally free money. If they match 50% up to 6% of your salary, contribute 6%. That's an instant 50% return. You won't find that anywhere else. Then take whatever you have left and put it into your 3-fund portfolio inside that Roth IRA. Here's a real example. You're 28. You start putting $500 a month into a Roth IRA split equally between these 3 funds. That's $167 each. You never touch it. You never check it. You never change it. By the time you're 65, assuming a 7% annual return, you have over $2.1 million. That's not luck. That's not genius. That's just time and math. The key word is never touch it. This isn't a strategy where you buy and sell. This is set and forget. Boring money wins. Part 3. Why this actually works. The U.S. stock market has returned an average of 10% annually since 1926. The international market slightly less. This isn't theoretical. This happened. Through Great Depressions. Through recessions. Through wars. Through pandemics. Your 3-fund portfolio is betting on human progress. And humans keep progressing. Could you pick individual stocks and beat this? Technically, yes. Statistically? No. And even if you did, would you have the discipline to stick with it for 40 years? Most people don't. Most people panic sell during crashes. The three-fund portfolio removes emotion from the equation. You can't panic sell because you don't know what you own individually. You own market cap weighted indexes. You own America. You own the world. You own boring, predictable, consistent wealth. The call to action. You now know more about long-term wealth building than 90% of Americans. The only question left is whether you'll actually do it. Open that Roth IRA this week. Choose your 3 funds. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Then forget about it. If this video helped you understand investing better, hit that subscribe button. We drop videos every single week breaking down money strategies that actually work. Your future self will thank you.